This is one of the most common birds in the United States, and they are found in all 50 states. When they migrate, they can cover 1,000 miles in 24 hours.
Those are Canadian geese for sure.
Those are Canadian geese.
Yeah,
Those are the same there, because I saw the white stripes on them.
Those will bite you.
Oh yeah, true. You better watch out. These will bite.
Canadian geese. Anytime you go out, you know, and touch that one.
This is really cool. These are known as wing-necked ducks, but not because of the white wings on their beak, but the faint chestnut-colored ring on their neck, which you can't even see. These are actually omnivores, which means they eat both meat and plants. These have longer migrations than most ducks, and it's actually rare to find them in Arizona. They're more common in the northern United States. This is a Mediterranean house gecko, and as the name implies, they were actually from the Mediterranean in Asia, but they actually came to Arizona over time. Also, as the name implies, these geckos are commonly found in houses more than in the wild, which is why we found him in this almost abandoned canine center. Also, this gecko is mostly nocturnal, which means it was actually rare to see him out in the daytime like this. These are called Gambel's quails, and when they run in small groups like this, they're called coveys. The distinct feathers on the top of the head that are shaped like a comma are actually called top knots. Top knots are in both male and female quails. Quails rarely fly, but I was able to capture it on camera. Hope you guys enjoy and subscribe for more amazing content.